So I'm Joe Seeno. That's my 64 Nova Wagon. Got that one in 2014. That was a pretty rough car as well too when I got it. Picked that one up in LA and brought it home. Just another, built it in the garage at home. I've always wanted to do a wagon. I thought they were cool. I had to convince the wife to do a wagon. She was against it at first, then finally when I drug one home, she was like, okay. Yeah, so I ended up building the wagon, and that's hers now. So this is the 2022 Good Guys Pleasanton March, and the car just got picked for Best Classic LS. So the motor's an LS6 out of a 2002 Camaro. When I first built the car, I had an LS in it, but I had the plastic intake, and I just got tired of looking at all that, and everybody else has the same thing, so I wanted to do something different. So I disguised it as a small block. Pretty much put a low-car distributor kit on it, and it's got Holley fuel injection and all that stuff in there, and just wanted to do something different. Just didn't want to see the same stuff. I hid the coil packs behind the fenders and did some modifications to the frame rails to get the wires through and everything, and paint matched the firewall, smoothed it out, put AC in it. I went with a TCI. I got the Pro-Touring suspension on this car. I have it here. I have it on another Nova, and it handles so well that I just went ahead and went with it again on this one. Oh, the installs are like no-brainers. They're just so easy. I didn't even mock up anything, and it all fit together. I have a torque arm on my other car. This car's just gonna get the standard 4-link on this. I'm not sure if I want to bag it yet. I may not. But yeah, I don't get the regular, just the 4-link on this one. My wife chose the color. It's not a GM color, but it's just a heavy pearl metallic green. The interior, it was kind of a tough one. I didn't want to go black interior with the green, so we decided to go with the tan. I think it was the right choice to do. I stretched the dash on this car, so the dash has been stretched for the AC vents. It's also got a push button start in it, so it's something a little different. The body's stock, all the trim is stock. Roof rack is a stock thing. This car didn't come with the roof rack from the factory, but I added it. It's a factory roof rack. I have 4 Novas at home. I got 2 more at home. This one gets a lot of attention, and it's like almost every time someone sees it, they want to buy it. I just tell them they have to want it more than I do, or my wife does, Today we're at LS Fest 2022 in Las Vegas. I went with the Black Widows because I have Black Widows on another vehicle I have, and I just like the sound of them better. I changed them out last Wednesday. They showed up on Wednesday. I put them on Wednesday night, and yeah, that's how we got here.